Here is how to permanently cure your eczema in 7 days, naturally, and guaranteed. Creams and ointments are only a temporary solution, they do not treat the root cause of eczema. The real eczema healing has to come from within your body, it is the only way to get rid of eczema. Now you can have a life without eczema. It is the time to put an end to constant discomfort and embarrassing situations. Get rid of the itching, burning, scaling and all the rest of it naturally without any medications. Introducing Eczema Vanished ebook. A natural home remedy to permanently eliminate eczema, no smelly creams and no medicines. The ultimate holistic system to naturally treat the root cause of eczema and eliminate it forever. Here is 10 things what you are going to learn in Eczema Vanished ebook. 1. What exactly is eczema and how to deal with the usual eczema symptoms. 2. 8 different types of eczema and what are the most common causes of eczema. 3. How to naturally cure eczema without any medications. 4. The real truth about eczema, what doctors do not want you to know. 5. How to cleanse your body to always feel active and full of energy. 6. Discover the root cause of your eczema, learn how to avoid the triggers. 7. How to supply your body with the right nutrition to have healthy skin. 8. The key to eliminating eczema for good and why anyone can do it. 9. How to stop itchy, dry skin, get rid of eczema once and for all. 10. Make your skin clean and silky smooth again without any creams or ointments. After just 2 to 3 weeks of following this guide, your eczema will be completely disappeared. To do all you can to get rid of your itching, burning, scaling, you have to act now. Click link in video description to download the Eczema Vanished ebook program now. Say goodbye to your eczema forever by visiting the link in video description.